lid off and there we go. Hi and welcome to Cartridge Blow, where today we're doing another beauty challenge. Yes, this time we're doing my beard with some of this and some of this. And some of this is root retoucher and some of this is blonde bleach powder. So we'll do one half the beard in one and the other half the beard in the other, and then we'll try and work out which one's best. Brilliant, let's go. Right then, I say we just crack right on with it. I reckon we use the root retoucher on the right hand side, and yeah, let's just go for it. Bit of safety first though, because I'm on my own, I don't want to lose an eye. Here we go then, get them on. Lid off and there we go. So what that does, put a line on my head. Right then, let's now crack on with this. Now I've never used bleach before, so this is going to get interesting. Just going to take these off so that I can't see it. Oh my god, look what I've done here. Oh, it's looking good already, I reckon, actually. Let's open this up. So we've got here, we've got professional formulated. Okay then, so I think we just crack this into a bowl then. Yeah, why not? I can't open it. Yeah, right, there we go. Wow, it's like blue and stuff, so put that in there, yeah. There we go, get rid of that. And we add some of this apparently. There we go, get that in there. I've got to mix it together. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it up, good. And put some more in there and I mix it up. Oh my god, yeah, that's bleach, I can smell ammonia. Ooh. Quite lumpy. So there we go. Mix it round. There we go. Almost there. Yeah, I'd say that's it. Oh yeah, that smells of ammonia. Jesus. Right, put a lid on that. Get that out of the way. Next thing is next. Safety again. Don't wanna get it in my eyes. There we go. And then we're going to do this side this time. Use the camera over here because I don't have a mirror. On. There we go. Oh, gone into the wrong side there. Oh wow, that is pretty bleachy. So, a bit of a look. Yeah, there's a bit I've not got. There we go. Get that. There we go. So use it all up, haven't we? There we go. Looks pretty good to me. Now it says I've got to leave it 15 minutes. Okie dokie. Right, another time lapse, I guess. Right, there you go. It's been 20 minutes now. I know I said I'd do 15 minutes, but I thought let's just be safe that he's going to do his thing. And here we are, we're back again. So what I'll do is now I'll disappear again, I'll wash it all off, and we'll have the big reveal. See you in a bit. Right, and here we are, we're back. Here's the big reveal, and wow, it's yeah, it's definitely worked, but I get the feeling this one might have worked a bit better if I'd read the instructions before I did it instead of after like I did, and I discovered that yeah, you're supposed to leave it on for about 90 minutes and I only put it on for 20, but it doesn't look that bad, does it? I mean, There we are, it's a bit ginger in places, but the definite winner, oh, there it is, the root retoucher. That is the definite winner today. And if you like what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell, don't forget to like and share it, and also don't put this on your beard because it says on the box, don't put it on your facial hair. Bye!